What a weapon. This 3 metre long by 2.1 metre wide flat top trailer is set to go. With a complete range of different accessories, this ultimate mobile workspace is ready for the ultimate mobile welder. On the outside of the suspension, we have our Maxxis Razr tyre upgrade. These tyres come with a fair bit of tread and they can also soften the load. This suspension has 12-inch electric brakes on all 4 wheels. It's also compatible with 5-stud Land Cruiser rims. Next up, we have the tapered drawbar mounted cabinet. This 2-door cabinet is fully sealed and lockable. It also comes with an internal shelf and a fridge slide. Behind this drawbar cabinet, we have our standard removable headboard. Behind the headboard, we have our field service 1200 toolboxes. This toolbox is complete with custom drawers and shelving option. It also has the 3-point lockable system and it is fully sealed. Inside this toolbox, we have the 4 gas bottle cage, which is tray mounted. This cage features the adjustable linkage points to strap in your gas bottles. It also has a rear access gate to access from the tray and a side gate, which also doubles as a step. At the back of the trailer, we have this 2-tower reel fixture. This fixture has 4 reels for power cords, gas hoses and air hoses. Under the reels, we have our rear slide-out tray unit, which is 2 metres long. At the back, we have our tail light upgrade to the Maxilamps, complete with our 12-month rego, which means this trailer is ready to go. All of these accessories comes on our 4.5 tonne over-spec'd C-section chassis. This chassis is fully engineered, ADR compliant and mine site compliant, so that means you can carry safer, go further and do more. Be sure to check out all our other amazing content on our other social media platforms.